Jason Flood's stunt pilot. Right there. Jason Floods, is that who he was? Acrobatic stunt pilot. Oh, he's right there. Look, he's gonna be at Franklinville Day tomorrow. And if you know what that is, then you better come, because I'm gonna see this guy. But he's actually doing stunts right now, right on top of our house. Let's see him.
I definitely missed him.
You definitely did? I can't even see him.
I can.
Oh, he's going back up. Look at that. What? Whoa. Look, he did a loop-de-loop. He's going back up. Yeah, I haven't heard of this guy. Well, he went to Janvier School, which is not that far that way. And I'm doing this for Franklinville Day. Oh, there he is. Look. Alright, like, make this video go famous. Like, send it to all your grandparents and say, yep, sure was. Holy cow. I hear him. It's just hard to get the shot. It's hard to get the shot, guys. I know it. Alright. I'll see him. Stunt pilot rehearsal. Like, I mean, what are the chances that you see this? But now you get to. And I can see him, but I don't know if you can.
He's just past those trees there.
I can't really see him.
I saw him, but
Alright, this is the end of the video. I mean, like, he's this person grew up here. I mean, not in this house. I mean, maybe? Did he? Imagine how funny it would be if this person grew up in this house. Right? Like, that would be funny. So cool to watch a pilot rehearsal.